Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Mosh Gaming here. So today's video is something different. I wanted to show you guys how much I actually make on YouTube. I wanted to reveal the secret, everything basically, uh, how much I actually make every month, I guess. And also I'm gonna talk about how much I've made all in total so far. So if you're interested in that, then that's why you probably clicked on this video. So I'm gonna show you guys how much I actually made. So let's get started. So right now it says your channel got 247,000 views in the last 28 days. Less than the 260,000 and to like 321,000 it typically gets. That's because I've been uploading other games aside from what I normally just play, Monster Legends, right? So I try out different games since now on. That's why it's going down and up between that. So it says if we go to analytics right now, right? So right now it says your estimated revenue is 524. Now that is incorrect. It's not 524. So that's what it says, 524, right? On YouTube, and most of the time it's incorrect. Okay, for me it's incorrect. It's not 524. Subscribers, it says 300 less than usual. So looks at my subscribers, kinda. Okay. On this day, December 30th, right? I got 67 subs a day, and then it went to 38, 19, 38, 18, and then yeah, that's not okay. That's not okay. So we need to get that up. But that's not what you guys are here for. So it says 246.8k views. That's how much I've gotten, I guess, the past 28 days, right? Okay. So watch time is 13k, about the same as usual. That's the watch time. So the watch time is still the same. 600 subs, 689, about 700 every 28 days, I'd say. I guess that's what it is. And if I go back to, let's say, hold on, so see more right here, let's actually dig in more. Okay, so for example, take a look at this video that I made, how to breed all the legends, right? 28,000 views. Well, it actually I guess that's the watch hour or so. No, this is the watch time. Okay, so you guys could see the total is 13,061, and the total for views is 268,000. So that's why it says in total, like all the videos adding up, it is about 500. So you guys can see the analytics right here. So it went like up and down, up and down. It's kind of weird, right? But yeah, that's the last 28 days. Now if we go with lifetime, let's take a look at lifetime. Okay, it may be incorrect. I mean, I already did the calculation and I'll tell you guys. So it says your estimated revenue 10,800. That is somewhere close. I already did the calculation. It was about 9,500 that I've made so far since I started YouTube. And then it says 33,200 subscribers. That is incorrect because right now it's at 33,000 and about 400-ish. No, 33,700, almost 800, right? So that is incorrect as well. But watch time, it says 388,000. So, you know, that's somewhere there. And then the total views, like the channel views, basically, altogether, it's 8,249,906. So, I will tell you the estimated revenue so far that I've made from YouTube, like altogether, it's been 9,400 or 500. Somewhere there, so almost 10,000. But no, actually, hold on, guys. 1 second. I'm sorry. With the last month's payment, I'd say it's about 10,000-ish, 10,500, maybe somewhere there. Okay, don't get me wrong, it's about 10,000. So since I've started YouTube, that's how much I made, 10,000. And some YouTubers be making like I think every month 10,000 to 20,000. So that's basically they're like 10 times. They make 10 times the amount that I make, I guess. Way more than what I make actually. So then analytics, you guys could see it's going up and down. Up here has been the highest, I believe. That was, oh yeah, that's my, I guess, most viewed video. That's why. But you guys could see every single one of these videos. This is okay. So $717, I guess, so far. That's how much I made from just that one video, I believe. That's my most popular one as well, I think so. 549 from another one, and it keeps going down. Let's see. So $61, for example, from this. when I was reaching level 16 right in the game. So it basically shows you all the info, right? And of course the highest that I made, oh, surprisingly the highest that I made was this one right here, and it was it was the one that had, I think it had like about 300,000 views by now. It has about 300,000 views, and the first one has about 500 something thousand views, so somewhere there. Let me check out the traffic source here real quick. So you guys could see it shows you this. So watch time hours 393,000, views is 8,000. No, it's 8,389,000. My bad, guys. And an average view duration is basically 2 minutes, and then suggested videos are 3 minutes. YouTube search 5 minutes. So stuff like that, and then end screens, basically all of those guys. You guys could take a look at it. Let's take a look at geography. I want to take a look at this one, okay? I haven't seen this one yet. That's a weird looking analytics. Oh my gosh. So this basically shows you guys the watch time hours from every single one of these states and stuff. So from United States, right? I've gotten like 157,000 watch time hours. Views 2,900,000, and that is my highest from all of these other ones. Now you guys could see I have some viewers from, for example, Bangladesh, Russia, South Africa, Iraq, Albania, Nepal, Spain, let's see, Italy, Thailand, all of these, and then Mexico. So basically you guys get the point, right? So but the top ones are basically United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Vietnam, Australia. Oh, I feel bad for Australia. I hope they, solve that soon. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. But India, and then it keeps going down. So you guys can see, not all of my viewers are not just from United States, United Kingdom and stuff. They are from other countries as well. But the most ones, or the the most watch time hour ones, right? The views, I guess, that I get, most of them are coming from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Vietnam, and Australia. Revenue source. So this is basically my estimated revenue, like I guess all in total how much I made and stuff. So from ad revenue, 10,600, transaction revenue 147, and then YouTube premium revenue. And I forgot to mention, YouTube also takes away some of that money as well from the ads. You're not gonna get all of it. So for example, for 1,000 views, right? So let's talk about like 1,000 views. So most of my videos actually get at least 1,000 and more views. And if it's just exactly 1,000, I'd say it gets you at least $10 or more. Depends on the ads that are running in your video, and sometimes it also depends on the for example, geography, right? You guys can see right here. So different states, it's different basically. So that's how it is. But yeah, you guys look, 334,000 of you guys watch time hours, right? Have not been subscribed, and then that's the amount. That is 58,000 people subscribed. What? Okay, that is not correct. I don't know. That's not correct. Anyways, guys. So, getting back to the videos, basically, guys. So you guys could see, it shows you the views all in total, watch time hours, subscribers, of course, 33,200. Not 200. It's actually 700. And then SM revenue, it's about 10,500. I'd say most precisely, I'd say it's around 10,500. So that's how much I've made so far in YouTube. Maybe some of you guys out there wanted to know. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys how much I've made. So that was just lifetime, right? But if we talk about, like, let's say last 7 days, I want to see. So last 7 days I've made $68 from just that video right there. I guess no, that's all in total. Okay, so in total it's about $50 to $60, 68. That's what it says, but sometimes it's incorrect, you guys know. So you guys could see some videos. This one right here, I got 1,000 views from it. It only gave me 76 cents from it. So yeah, some of those videos don't even pay that much. Oh wait, hold on. This video right here where I got, oh, simple ways to get free gems, I got 1 cent from it. I'm not sure if that's correct or not. That's kind of weird. Maybe I didn't run any ads in them or something. But that was just the last 7 days. Oh, that was just from the last 7 days. I see. Okay, kind of dumb here. Anyway, guys, so I hope now that you guys see this, now you have some ideas on how much I actually make total. So about each 1,000 views, right, you get about $10, $5 to $10, maybe more sometimes. Sometimes it pays you more, depends on how many ads you're running on your videos and stuff. But yeah, guys, that's how much I've made. That's basically the info about my channel. That's just in 2020. Today is January 9th. That's how much I made since I started YouTube. So that was like 2 years ago when I started YouTube. But keep in mind, when I actually started YouTube, about a month later, I'd say, or somewhere there, that's when I got into the monetization thing and started all of those stuff. So yeah, anyway, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys learned something. I don't know, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.